In this training session, we continue in goods receiving, extra charges. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to set up the extra charges in company details. So I'm going to say utilities, set up company details, and then I'm going to click on the extra charges tab. This is the last tab here under company details. I'm not going to do the setup for invoicing. We'll look at extra charges for invoicing in a later training. What we're going to do is we're going to set up extra charges for goods receiving. You have an option of adding 4 different types of charges. I'm going to add or give you 2 as an example here. The one will be a stock item and the other one a non-stock item. Now our first one that we're going to create here is collection fees. I've already created the stock item, so I'm going to select my item. You can specify VAT or no VAT on this item. If it's an export or import VAT rate, you can also select that. Now collection fee was a non-stock item. And you will see that over here, automatically, the box is checked that says it must be part of the cost of the items. If I try and switch this off, it will tell me, no, this is a non-stock item, and non-stock items must be part of the cost. So I can't switch this off. But if I add another item called delivery fee, and I select my delivery fee item, specify the VAT, you now see that because this is actually a stock item, I don't have to force the option part of the cost. So you've got 2 options. You can add a delivery, you can add an extra charge that is part of the cost. If you want it to be part of the cost, you must create it as a non-stock item. In fact, if you specified non-stock item, we will force the option that it must be part of the cost. If you create another charge, for instance, I've added here delivery fee, and I said this is a stock item, you have a choice to say that it does not have to be part of the cost, or I can switch it on. But in this case, we'll leave the option off, so that I can show you, once we get to the GRV, the difference between the 2 options. And that concludes the setup of extra charges.